Milo and the Melodious Parrots. Once upon a time, in a lush rainforest, lived a mischievous monkey named Milo. Milo loved to swing from tree to tree and play all day long. He was known for his playful nature and infectious laughter. One sunny day, as Milo swung through the trees, he heard a peculiar sound. It was a chorus of melodious voices echoing through the forest. Curiosity piqued, Milo followed the sound until he came across a group of colorful parrots perched on a branch. Milo was captivated by the parrots' vibrant feathers and their enchanting melodies. He couldn't resist joining their chorus. With a mischievous grin, he mimicked their calls, adding his own playful twists and turns. To Milo's surprise, the parrots were delighted by his antics. They invited him to join their flock and explore the wonders of the rainforest together. Milo eagerly agreed, excited for the new adventures that awaited him. As Milo became a part of the parrot flock, he discovered the true meaning of friendship and teamwork. Together, they flew high above the treetops, gliding through the emerald green canopy. They shared laughter, stories, and even helped each other find delicious fruits and nuts. But one day, Milo noticed a sad expression on one of the parrots' faces. It was Polly, the smallest and shyest of them all. Milo asked what was wrong, and Polly explained that she was too scared to fly long distances like the others. Determined to help his friend, Milo devised a plan. He encouraged Polly to believe in herself and practice her flying skills every day. He cheered her on, offering words of encouragement and support. Slowly but surely, Polly gained confidence and started flying alongside her feathered companions. With Milo's help, the parrot flock became a close-knit family, always looking out for one another. They journeyed through the rainforest, discovering hidden waterfalls, playing in the sun-dappled streams, and dancing under the moonlit nights. And so, Milo and the parrots lived happily ever after, embracing the spirit of adventure and friendship in the magnificent rainforest they called home.